hit the road.
Hi kids, I'm Olivia the Dinosaur. Let's roll on the road and see all the cool vehicles. Ready? Let's go! Vroom, vroom! I ride in my little red car, driving close and driving far. Beep, beep, horn and off we go, rolling fast or moving slow. Hop on the big yellow bus so wide, it opens the doors, come inside. We wave to people as we pass, riding the bus is such a blast. Rolling, rolling, fast or slow, cars and buses go, go, go. Trains go chug and bikes go ring, land is fun for traveling. Pedal a bike, wear your gear, ring, ring bell, loud and clear. Zoom on a scooter, glide so free, we ride with friends and family. Here comes the train, big and strong, chugga, chugga all day long. Toot, toot goes the happy sound, riding rails across the town. Look, it's a police car with flashing lights, zooming fast to help with rights. Sirens loud, they keep things fair, helping people everywhere. The big red fire truck is brave and bold, with hoses ready and ladders gold. Woo, woo, off they go, saving people high and low. The white ambulance comes quick and bright, flashing lights in the day or night, helping those who need some care, kindness rolling everywhere. Rolling, rolling to and fro, trucks and scooters go, go, go. With Olivia we ride with cheer, land transportation is super dear.
Let's fly in the blue sky.
Hi again, it's me, Olivia. Let's fly way up in the sky. Airplane wings go zoom so fast, flying high as clouds go past. Engines roar and people cheer, up above there's no fear. Flying, flying, let's take flight, up we go and hold on tight. Helicopters, rockets too, flying dreams can all come true. Next comes a helicopter, chop, 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 spinning blades that never stop. Hovering higher, flying low, it's super cool wherever we go. And look at that big hot air balloon, rising gently like a tune. Colorful, slow, it floats with grace, gliding across the sky's wide space. Now hold on tight, here comes a jet. Zoom so fast you'll not forget. Over mountains, oceans wide, jets take us on thrilling rides. And look, a rocket blasts away, off to space with a fiery spray. It climbs and climbs beyond the sky. Let's wave to stars as we fly by. Flying, flying through the blue, with Olivia and friends like you. We soar, we zoom, we float so high. Let's go flying in the sky.
Let's sail in the wide sea.
Ahoy, mateys! It's Olivia, ready to sail the sea! Let's hop on a sailboat, soft and slow. Feel the wind and watch us go. With big white sails and gentle breeze, we cruise across the sparkling seas. Sailing, sailing on the tide, with waves and fishy friends beside. From cruise ships big to jet skis fast, water fun is sure to last. Here comes a cruise ship tall and wide, lots of rooms and fun inside. Slides and pools, we dance and play, all aboard for a sunny day. Now paddle, paddle in a canoe, through the river, just us two. It's calm and quiet, nature's tune, under stars or by the moon. The submarine goes down so deep, where ocean creatures swim and sleep. We peek at dolphins, whales and more, exploring secrets from sea to shore. Watch the jet ski zoom with power, riding waves and making a shower. Fast and loud across the foam, it's a wild splashy ride to roam. Sailing, splashing, come with me on the waves with Olivia the Dino. Let's explore the ocean blue, so much to learn and ride and do. Wow! That was so much fun! We traveled by land, air, and sea, all in one big adventure. Did you like the cars and fire trucks on the road? Or maybe the airplanes flying way up high?
across the ocean, wild and free, floating on the deep blue sea. Land, air,